Are you there? Hello, Rheyne.
Hey, hi. Hi,
First
Margrette.
time to see you, Dalgastrais, jutang duha, no? So, so please introduce yourself. We only have 6 viewers pa.
It's okay. It's okay. I can stay the whole hour, and I'm actually currently using my back camera from the iPhone, and it's a bit delay here on my live feed on the laptop, so I'm just referring here. Anyway, uh, yes, I'm Rheyne Valentine, and I'm a
Okay.
DJ and a content creator. Currently, a content creator. I just made this up while we are in the midst of pandemic, out of the blue, to be honest.
Mm,
But
okay.
um, it's not just about like wasting my time on doing this, because I also achieve like an advocacy where would I start a channel and release my mixes, and it's just not just your simple mixes like your weekly radio show. It's also
Mm,
like promoting local artists, like local dance music
I see.
producers, and not just by showing them, promoting their music, and also broadcasting their work globally. And I've seen no one so far who've done that by heart here, in in the music
Okay.
industry,
Unique.
in the DJing side, in the nightlife. So I would like to push this. I would really like to push this because there has been, what do you call this, like, at this moment that we are in the pandemic, and not all some of the artists are lost their fire in doing so, and it was depressing actually, and
Where
for
are
some
you
of
from,
them. uh,
Rheyne?
I'm from Consolacion. I'm from Consolacion.
Consolacion.
Yes.
We actually have members in Lacson and Luluan, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Si Richard Remorta and Gail Dangaso. They're from the north
Mm.
as well.
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay.
And
So,
I,
okay, go ahead.
mhm. I think there are only few content creators from the north side. I believe, like probably some of them are in the city or in the south side. Yeah.
Yes.
And
So we have. Go ahead.
yeah. Oh, wait. Hold on. There's a little bit of delay. Okay. Okay. I gotcha. Yeah. So in my case, as a DJ slash content creator, I think that I am the one of the few who push this advocacy so far.
Mag-mute ko usahay ha kay banha kay Dres Balay. So
Ah.
I'll be flashing the comments because they're promoting their channels. So
Mm-hmm.
what I would like everyone right now viewing, once I flash the YouTube channel, please do go to the that comment.
Mm-hmm.
Please go to the featured channel and everyone please do subscribe so that
Mm-hmm.
everyone will get their turn.
All right.
Right? So
Exactly.
I'll go on mute kay banha kayo diri ay as in. So I'll
Mm.
give you the host crown right
Mm-hmm.
now. Okay, medyo banha diri and I will
Ah.
feature the comments.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me just switch my settings to front camera then.
Sige, go.
I'll just.
So we have now Charis Mamay. So everyone who is watching, please go to Charis Mamay's channel right now and please do subscribe. Okay, so guys, if you're done with Charis Mamay's channel, let's go to Chulukoy. So just make sure you leave a comment in each person's video. Hashtag BISYC so that they will get back to you. So now it's Chulukoy in the house. Just Chulukoy. Please do subscribe to Chulukoy. And once you're in his video, please leave hashtag BISYC. I would like to greet Sakri's siblings vlog, Ella Chan, Ella Chan
Mhm.
wants to send her love and support to everyone.
Mhm.
And Carlos Sadaya Damolo.
Mhm.
Okay, so we're done featuring Charis Mamay and Cholokoy. Let's now feature... Na nag-type og channel jud niya ay.
Uh,
Kani.
no, no, not channel links, please. It's better that you would give your YouTube name, what's listed on your YouTube name,
Yes.
then we can go through it. Not the videos with links, please. We can watch any of your videos. We can just do that.
So guys, I think if you don't have any link, please type just your name, the name of your
Mm.
channel. People can
Mm.
search that anyway.
Yes.
I think this one is a channel name.
I think what's good to discuss about tonight is like the strategy of the sub to sub, and might as well, if you have questions for our newbies there in content creation, or even you're an amateur, you can ask questions in tips and how to what kind of music that you'll pick, or yeah, because I'm in the music, that's my niche. You can ask what about it, and if might as well the strategies on how to market your YouTube link or your YouTube channel. You can ask any one of us. It's live.
Alright.
Mm.
So Chrisman is actually here. He
Mhm.
is also part
Hey,
of course,
Christian
that's why
man.
you say Chrisman is ubay-ubay na po niyang subscriber but still a humble YouTuber. So
That's good.
ila-ila sa mong duha, ila-ila sa mong duha.
Hey, Chrisman. Good to see you.
Ay, madungog ba
Hey.
ko?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. No problem.
Yeah, I'm Chrisman and my YouTube channel is XMNN. I think it's
Yeah, it's
on
written there. I would surely follow you. And yeah, you can see that's my channel, Rheyne Valentine. And my specialty is music. That's my niche. Releasing remixes. That's what my channel content is right now.
actually my
So if
niche
you
is
want to follow
is
and like
tech.
follow there, just go ahead. Mm.
Yeah, actually,
Okay, okay. Oh, we have Omden. No. Yeah, we have someone here,
I'm
and
not
he
sure.
doesn't have a cam yet.
I'm dead your video.
And
ang main niya.
Okay, so
Hello.
while waiting, wala pa imong cam dong.
Hello.
So we have 15 viewers right now. Hello to the 15 folks. If you're watching this, please subscribe to Rheyne Valentine, Chrisman as well. Is it XMNN only in YouTube, Chrisman?
Yes, XMNN
yeah,
only.
XMNN.
Alright, so so all the hosts' names are also their YouTube channel. So please do support us. And if you want your YouTube channel to be promoted, please do leave them as a name in the comment, not a link, please. Para dito maglisod.
Mm.
So biyan sa tamo
Yes,
gisa kay
yes.
bala.
Go
What's
ahead.
up,
Yes, take your time.
Margie?
And for those who have questions in the chat or in the comment section, you can ask us. Probably we could guide you in our ways or tips in how to do a good content, whatever it is. It may be a vlog or just like a niche of music or tutorials, tips and tricks, whatever it is. Hop it in and we will discuss it. And we are open to share. Thank you, Ella Chan, sending love and support. We're reading you. Okay. Christian. Okay. Chris Man. I'm sorry. I lost your name there because of the comments. How long have you been doing uh, content creation or vlogging or whatever you have in the channel right now?
Um, 4 years.
Wow, amazing! 4 years, and actually 4 years is a good milestone already for being a content creator, and I believe those years were the golden age where things were really good back in YouTube. And That's exactly that people most would agree, especially for those OGs content creators that we have, because it was the prime and where we don't encounter so much difficulties when we appraise our videos, like copyright claims, promotions, and the community standards. Like it was that time, right?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
way back then it was just 10,000 views and you
Mm-hmm.
can monetize your YouTube.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And they just
And
recently
that
changed
that
last year.
mhm. Yeah, that was the difficult time, but it wasn't that hard to get some, subscribers or followers back in those years, because really, people would really go into watch and follow your content like religiously. They are the those people back then, and as you can see, probably right now, they're picky in terms of the followers. They really choose what they wish, what subscribers they will follow. They have their own fan base. Uh, we have love on the chat right now, with us, and it's not she's not open.
I don't know where love
She's not
is.
open yet.
Where are you? So
Guys,
guys, sorry if
We're
wala
doing
ako.
good so far. We're doing good so far.
guys, I'll be
Yes.
signing off because I'll
Oh,
be working now.
Thank you for dropping by, Chrisman.
oh
Hope
yeah.
to see you
We're doing.
soon.
Bye, bye, bye.
Amping
See you
dong.
soon. Mm.
Okay, so
Right. It's both of us
comment,
who's left.
comments. All right. So I have here YouTube channels. Omden,
Mhm.
please. So let's give a few seconds for people to subscribe to Omden and leave comments as well. And then next we'll
Mm.
proceed to another channel.
I have a question here from
Yes.
Rabzin de la Cruz. Shout out. And if you can put your YouTube channel, please do so. His question is, how would you feel if you think that your content is good, but it doesn't give to that much attention? So yes, I would say that consistency is the key. That's one thing. It may not get the attention by now, but in time you will be noticed. But in technical side, like it will take you like 2 to 3 years to be noticed. Like you will go big time if you are just consistent in doing contents. But in technical aspect, one tip would be proper tagging, strategic titles, the number two, and of course, the content that you would put into the channel, and you would first look around what's going on, what's the trend, what's what could you do about it, and what would be your take if you'll ever upload a video someday. Yes, example, there are many vloggers out there, but ask yourself, what is your edge from the other vloggers out there, right? So that's essential. And another is your description. Descriptions are very important. Some would do it like precisely short and straightforward. Some of them are like promotional wise long, but they put a lot of links for their channels uh, to be followed, or links to be followed, like Facebook, Instagram. And you really have to dig in. It's a learning process. Yes, like as I said, consistency is the key. And with that said, there are tough times as well. That yeah, like right now. In fact, I was I I created my channel before you, Margrette. Yeah, I created my channel before you. It was like 2014, and I started my vlogs in 2016, if I'm not wrong. And I was not happy about doing the vlogs, and it's not natural for me to do so. That's why what I did is I closed it down. I closed it down and tried my way to discover, especially right now, to follow what I love to do. It's also important for Rabsin. I hope my question is answered. it's really important. Consistency is the key. Technical wise, you have to pay attention. Learning is the process, and also passion. Just if you love what you're doing, do it. Okay, I hope I answered your question. Hi, Chasing
So
James.
we have Joe chasing James right now.
Mm.
Hello, welcome, Don. So please introduce yourself because we have 15 people here.
Mhm.
15? Wah, teka lang. Kailangan ba yung ano ko, nasundan ko eh.
Hey, ano, Jai?
So hi, this is Jason Jones. And, eto, nag-prepare pa kasi ako for dinner. So, medyo na-late na ako this.
Mhm.
Yeah, kindly subscribe sa...
It's okay. It's okay.
And you're from saan ka sa Mindanao, ha?
Yes, I'm from Zamboanga City, which explains why I speak Tagalog more often.
Zamboanga. And Rheyne is from
Consolacion Cebu.
Consolacion. Alright. So we have a few comments, channels that we need to promote. So let's start with Pangkoy Gaming, Mang Jose. So please do, everyone, those who are watching right now, please subscribe to Pangkoy Gaming. And if you did subscribe to Pangkoy Gaming, please send the proofs to Mang Jose in Facebook, Mang Jose. Okay? So if you have not subscribed
Miss,
to
Miss
Pangkoy
Love
Gaming,
commented.
anong kinoment niya?
Na-share daw siya.
Gotcha to sure.
Hey, Miss Love, ayaw ka ulaw. You can join us here.
Go, love. Alright, so next, Pangkoy Gaming is Sheila LIPH. So guys, if you have not supported Sheila LIPH, please do subscribe to his channel now and leave a comment, #BisYC. And if you want to send the proof, send it to Sheila Bautista Okon. Alright. So next is naman na siya. Sir Donsky, Bisaya YouTubers Club, Heart. Donsky 143 TV. So if you have not subscribed to Sir Donsky, please go to Donsky 143 TV. Leave a #BisYC comment in his video.
Murag delay
We
ako
also-
ang comment section da. Pero sige lang.
Nasi ko
Sige
ano.
lang guys. If you have
that's si
questions, just
Harley.
put it up.
Hi, Harley.
Harley is here. Hello. Mikay din. Shout out my sikat na.
Hey, Harley.
Kasi sikat. Masikat mo gaming kay God. Chasing James. Hello. Hello,
Sikat na tanan guys.
Busy kayo.
Everyone deserves a
OMG.
spotlight.
Pa-promote daw si Robsin. Rob De La Cruz. Someone wants to join and let's have Tataboy Chavez.
Hello.
Hello, oy.
What's up?
Ni Agi Marcelo, oy.
Jonay Den Alaba. Okay. You can join us. If you wish.
Hi, bro. Chasing James.
Hi,
Hey, Tataboy.
Hi, Inlo.
Hey, hello there.
Wow, nice name, huh?
So guys, if you have not subscribed to Tataboy Chavez, Chasing James, and Rheyne Valentine, please do so now. All 15 viewers, please do subscribe. Each of your subscription matters to all of us. So please do subscribe and leave comments para mabalikan mo na mo.
Di ko kabasa sa comment. Nagdaot akong PC ba?
Lara, good evening.
Shout out.
Jonas Maestro Nian,
Shout out, ma'am.
Guys, you can still join. We have 2
Uy,
spots.
Happy Father's Day di ay tandaan
Available.
sa mga papa diha ug mga
Happy Father's Day.
ug sa mga feeling papa diha. Sugar papa ug sa mga papaha diha.
Busy kaayo, wala ko atan ganiha. Busy kayo kung Sunday. Harley is so busy. Napay nanay mo join. Ping the Bubble Diary.
Oh, Pinky Punky!
Thank you.
Hello.
Okay, ang mag-support sa stream today. Woo! I mean, Kai.
Live stream day. Minkay.
Live stream day. Hi to all hosts of Chris Siblings Vlog. Hello to everyone daw.
Nice
Yung ano niya kung kamera mo.
Galingan mo, Jel. Idol.
Asya ng YT.
Hey, hello there.
Okay, so guys, please introduce yourselves. I will leave for a few minutes and go ahead and invite people to subscribe to your channel.
Sige, ikaw una, bro. Ako nabasa nga ang message.
Okay, I'm quite a bit experiencing a delay, guys. Kung medyo delay akong response, pasensya na. Pasensya na kung delay akong response kay nag-abot ako ang laptop o phone ng stream. Sa phone ko na cam.
That's okay.
Okay. For those who are watching right now, I mean, we could give you tips here, everyone. We have Chasing James, Pink the Baboy Diary, and Tataboy Chavez. Follow their channels, please. If we are giving you good contents, whatever it is. It may be a vlog or music, whatever we have here. All support for BYC channel. Okay, come on up, and we will be also discussing good topics here. If you wish to know more about our strategies for content creation.
Balitok ka. Naon sa ka, Jel. Nagbalitok.
For those who don't know, what's your what content do you have for what do you call this? Chasing James. Okay, what niche do you have in your channel? Unsay mga content sa mga wala pa kahibaw diri nga ato pang mo follow. Unsay mga content nga naa sa imong channel Chasing James.
Okay, ako pala una. So, thank you. First, please subscribe to my channel, Chasing James. Nasa YouTube siya, of course. And meron din akong Facebook page, still, Chasing James. And my niche,
Follow,
more
yes.
on travel. More on travel, more on adventures, food review. Not necessarily food review. Most of the time, we go to places, we go to cafes, restaurants, and we do some reviews with the food they prepare. Aside from that, I vlog about my experiences. Most of the time, actually, ang vlog ko is about my experience on my travels, on my adventure. So, kung gusto mo yung personal touch na vlog, you should go to my channel. Yeah. Pasensya na sa asa ko.
Okay, everyone, if you've heard that, okay, he has a adventure. Sa mga mahilig na adventure, you wanna check his channel out sa mga reviews like food, and you wish to come. It's really those are really good contents, guys. Come on,
How about you, Rheyne?
follow those and support.
How
And
about you?
for you, Pink na Baboy Diary. For those who don't know, you can tell everyone here what's inside your channel and what to
So guys,
expect.
medyo na ay delay si Rheyne
Inside.
sa iyang side. So if you have anything to say, please make it a bit
Hey,
loud
Donsky, hello.
and clear.
Okay, may sumusulpot-sulpot na Margrette doon.
Usan pagkuan, pag landscape.
Ano mo lang siya, i-flip mo lang siya.
Ako mutuyok man ko.
Gikuan ako, tape na ako ang phone. Itangtang
Girotate
iyang
na
lock.
ko.
Itangtang iyang lock nga kuan sa settings nimo.
That's why.
Oo. Yo.
Ako
I-unlock
may
siya,
matuyok.
i-rotate. Oh, yes, oo.
Ako may matuyok, boy.
Yay!
Ayun.
Yes.
Right, ay.
Yay!
Uy, labanan ba to ng mga English?
Ano na siya? Very good, very good. Sige. Chika. Unsa may naasa imong channel sa mga wala kay Bao para maka-follow yun sila nimo, like ma-excite sila sa i-expect nila sa imong YouTube channel.
So wala na kay Bao, just go to my channel, charot.
Bitaw, oy. More likely ako mga kuan kay mukbang, then reaction video, but nag-concentrate ko ron sa mukbang. You know na, quarantine, kaon jud ta banat.
Oh.
Sa ngalan pa lang nga
So,
baboy na, ayun. Hello, nabaguhan lagi ko.
kainan dahil siya. Kainan galore. Okay. That's good. So,
So you can
si
check
Kuya
my
Tata.
channel.
Okay, what?
That
Say
would
na
be
asa mong
pink.
kon channel nimo Kuya Tata.
Hey bro, kuya na gyud ko bro no. Shout out mo na ako bro ha, mag-shout out mo na ako bro. Shout out to bro Polski. Shout out bro, shout out to Maisang Laagan. Yes, gingawan ni Mojeloy. Shout out to Miss Harl, ang asidera ng YT. Shout out. And okay. Murag na oras siguro na ako ma-shout out. Alright, so going back to your question, bro, English na sa tan. Murag na ko ang ko, bro. Lead ko sa imong question.
Aham tong ketchup.
Bitaw, sa mga wala pa kailan ako, guys.
Ulit siya na usahay ma-express man gud ako in English. Travel vlogger, food reviewer, and karon lang nga mga quarantine season, no, kanang video reactors. So I'm inviting everyone to subscribe to my channel, Tataboy Chavez. Yes. So kung interesado mo, subscribe na. Subscribe.
One of the most generous si Tataboy. As in, si Chasing James o si Pink na Baboy graphic butan kana sila.
Ano ba yung channel mo about?
Dong, wanay ko video uban na mo dong. Manambuk ka.
Kasi sa aming lima dito, ikaw yung hindi namin pa talaga kilala.
Wait, di na gid siya mada guys. Kaya murag naglag na gid siya sugod. Kadot lang.
Sana all maglag.
Sana all.
Ulo na po. Oh my God.
Ako ang live stream every Thursday. Every Thursday, guys. From 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, kita-kits tayo mga atat dyan.
Oh, siya na yung mupuli ni Kuya Will kay daghan kan siya pa jacket.
Yan na ba yung tawag mo sa mga subscribers mo, Sir Tata, bro?
Bro?
Yan na ba yung tawag mo sa mga subscribers mo?
Yes, mga atat dyan.
No.
Yes, atat. Tataboy kasi bro Tataboy, so binaliktad ko lang.
Oh, ang creative. Ikaw dyan, anong tawag mo sa mga sa mga subscribers mo?
Oinkers. Bago lang discover. Hello mga oinkers.
Oinkers!
Sabi yung oinkers.
Yeah.
Sarili lang guys ha.
Mayroong
nag-slow yung internet.
Ha?
Ay, nahulog. Sino yung bagong umakyat?
Nahulog sa hagdan.
Oo, nahulog.
Wala siya video good.
Ala, uy, radyo dai ni.
Hinay good siya. Nagsugod nag-static inyong mga
Shout out
team.
to Jasper. Shout out, bro.
Rheyne, may pagkanang usan yung kagadget imong i-on.
Sakto ba ko?
Si Kinsa dong? Tataboy? Kalay siya magkagis aning Tataboy, uy. Side view.
In-low.
Side view. Side view. Huwag tang nag-give.
May panguban kay nakagisa na ako pag yun taon.
Ana.
Nangin mo na ko gwal.
Ana, huwag ka na makana.
Excuse me lang ha. Ayun lang.
Sure.
Just something.
Dapat man good side view day na ngalan ana ba? Then front then side view.
Musta naman mo, oy? Hello guys, agi lang ko.
Di ko kadungog ni in-low.
Hi, Jasper.
Sure?
Yes, Jasper. Agi lang
Hinay ako tingog.
Sa
Live sa Facebook.
Hindi ba pwedeng sumali yung taga-Oslo?
Pwede man.
Oo nga.
Oy, Jasper! Join us, Jasper!
O, lagi ko na dunggan ni Inlo ba?
Sure, uy, di ko madunggan.
I
Dunggan
can
man.
hear you.
Dunggan.
Can hear you! Inlo!
Madami kang entry ngayon, Jen.
Mo pag mata na ko ay.
Good morning!
Oo. Bag, morning kasi dito sa Amerika, ganon.
Ay, lahira.
Oo. State of
Private
Kasambagan
siya.
di ako.
Saan pag-landscape? Uy, kamuoy, chika mo diha. Basta na may gusto ipabuhagay.
Hi to Aisha. Aisha. Oy, si
Di ba, Jen,
Mimi.
meron kang premiere bukas?
Oh yeah, nakoy premiere ugma, red carpet 10:30.
10:30. Sa aling mall?
Sa Kuan, all SM.
SM?
Oo. Kahit sarado doon lang kayo sa Kuan, parking
Ay,
lot.
formal daw.
Huh?
Shout out kay XMN.
Chrisman.
Shout out, bro. Hello guys, I have just uploaded new video on my channel. Yes.
Sana
Okay,
all.
watch natin yan later.
Hi, this is
Good evening, everyone.
Hello.
Wala ko kadumog ni Inlo ba?
Naman.
Hello.
Hi, tama ni pag.
Hi, Nympha!
Kilala ni Koan.
Naglinsod na siya sa on pag-landscape.
Nian Zakwa.
Nympha! Ila-ila mo nilang tanan!
Ako na dumog ni Inlo bro.
Hi, Ko.
Nakamute si Inlo. Nakamute.
Di man. Ay, nakamute mo ha, Marge.
Nakamute.
Karon ra, ganina wa.
Oh.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Shout out
po.
to Medyo Boy, Mama Ren, shout out.
Bakit parang may sariling mundo si bro?
Bro,
Medyo may delay ng konti.
oh kasi nandito lang ako sa
Medyo
bahay.
boy,
bro.
ano
So,
wala na notify.
Ano?
Na Medyo Boy.
Kabuang
What do you
ko,
mean, Medyo
pangita,
Boy?
oy. Medyo boy, kabuang ko.
Naka-live ni sa Facebook.
Hindi ko na siya pangita.
Ako mong guling i-share! I-share sa niyo!
Wala dito ko kita.
Bonjour mo, uy. Ako na i-share balik, B.
Wadi ko na dunggan do.
Naglisod bitaw ko pangita, may galing ni PM ko.
Oh, bitaw, wala bitaw, Marge.
Sa GC ko siya nakita, Margrette.
Mm.
Pero, first, hindi ko pa kasi na-meet si Miss
Oo,
Yeah, I
Nian.
want to
Miss
share
Nian.
Nian po ba?
Yes, Nian.
Hi po.
Sige.
Chasing James. And
Chasing
kasama ko po dito si Bro Tataboy.
Ito.
Ano
Ito
tayo
si
bro?
Zel,
Ano tayo
Pink
bro?
na Baboy.
Bro,
Bro? Teka.
Bali.
tayo ganun. Baliktad.
Bali.
Bro!
Hala, bali.
Hindi na ako sa ganyan.
Kinsay bali ako?
Bigas.
Okay lang, ma.
Yeah. Baliktad.
O yan, yan.
Akong sab? Ana!
No, it's...
Yeah.
At karon mo din. Ang taon eh, uy.
So,
Ikuan daw, i-unlock ang kuan. Ano sa to? I-unlock ang rotation.
Aw,
Di nga
di
wala.
pa man gusto ka mawa ni akong phone. Ay, tabang.
Ay,
Oh, this
ano,
one.
daghan na to. Nana ko tutorial.
Wala, 20% na lang. Kana,
Yes, very good. Naka-perfect ba?
nagbalide ko di ay. Yeah,
Ma'am,
okay ra ba sa
introduce yourself.
And good.
Miss Nian,
Nympha, introduce yourself.
Ako?
Opo.
Hello? Nympha Zafra akong name, pero akong anak kay Nian Zafra. So, bago lang mi naghimo og koan, YTC, kaya na-inspired me. Wa man mi mahimo sa lockdown.
Ah, so yung vlog nyo or yung channel nyo po is a lockdown channel, tama ba?
Hindi. Yung channel namin, Nian Zafra,
Babey!
mga family event lang.
Sana,
What I meant is, gawa dahil sa lockdown, tama?
Yes.
You're from
Ano
Cebu.
siya, it's done during the lockdown. Ay, not the lockdown. Hindi ba, wa man dito na lockdown, no?
the
Quarantine
quarantine
lang.
edition.
Community
Oh,
quarantine lang.
ganon.
Are you from Cebu po?
Yes, si Booming Glanilia.
What's your channel about? What's your niche po?
Wala lang, anything under the sun.
Mm.
About my family, most of the time, about my bonding with kids, with my kids. Yan lang. And then, yung mga product na ginagamit namin na sa family. Tapos yung husband ko, kasi IT yung husband ko. So, sometimes he also shares about anything IT. Ganon.
Ah, so para siyang family
Loading ako,
vlog, gano'n?
guys.
Yes.
Wow. Exciting. So, lumalabas-labas din sa
Tataboy. Uy, tabangi po na tataboy ninyo. Hindi ka naman.
Ayo.
Ay, okay lang. Ako solution.
Ano naman? Subtitle.
Ana lang, ana.
Effective to atong kuan, atong watch effective ba?
Shout out to Sir Mick.
Sir, unsa ganito imong first name pink na baboy? Answer to first name nimo Jel? Unsa na? Hell?
Gel.
Gel? Unsa man effective ba tong WH to WH? Daghan ang imong kuan, ning increase imong watch time.
Oo, nakuan biya gid siya nakatabang.
No?
Harley. Hello, Harley.
Hello, Miss R.
Sige lang, laban lang kita ni.
Every day, ako ang laptop sige nag-on every day 12 hours.
Uy, tuloy nila si Harley yung sa on pag-landscape. Sige na, Pines. Hi, Da.
Harley?
Busy kay guys.
Jay, i-landscape, Jay.
Ganito lang, Harley, gaganon ka lang.
I know how to landscape. Wait, kabaw ko
Hi,
Jai,
Sir
Baboy. Kabaw ko.
Pag landscape, Jay, exit, Jay.
Hello daw, oy, Jel.
Ay, hello.
Gamer ba yan?
Hello,
Sa
Kuya
YouTube.
Mick.
Hi, Kuya Mick. Hi, Kuya Mick. Hi, Sir Mick.
Yes.
Hello to Ed.
Mga adas na mo, Gel Temporada.
Maubos na ito.
Chasing James, Tataboy Chavez. Alright.
Hi, Miss Tonette Tony. Hello po. Welcome po sa live stream ni Margrette. Hi, Sacred Siblings Vlog.
Hi, kay.
Happy Father's Day, Carl. Hoy, Simon. Zamboanga City natin, ha? October. Ready ka na, ha?
Happy Father's Day, sabi ni Carl.
Ay!
Sumisigaw ako kasi wala ko narinig.
Love or network.
Ninyo, guys.
Tanan, mo di madunggan tataboy.
Yes, nakadungog na ko ni mo inlo.
How about me? Marinig mo ako, bro?
Yes.
Madung na unta ko maghimog subtitle.
Loud and clear. Paspasa mo type, no? Kuan?
Shout out Christian Costales Besada.
Title.
Christian Gonzalez, yes.
Ready.
Latil, guys. Merong link na nilagay.
May link. Nasa description.
Shout out kay Felix Joseph. Hello. From
Hi,
Laguna.
Felix
Watching
Joseph.
From Laguna.
Wow, Tagalog tayo
Felix
ngayon.
Joseph from
Bro,
Laguna.
pasensya na bro ha, Tagalog.
I have a question for everyone since andito na rin naman na tayo.
I'm ready, Char.
I'm not ready.
Ano?
Hello,
Ay,
Omden.
kanina gustong pumasok.
Si Omden, sige gawala dong.
Hi po.
Jen.
Happy ka si Omden. Happy ka siya.
So my question is, how was
Wala ko'y madungog.
your quarantine life and
Wala ko'y madungog.
about the entire duration of quarantine?
Ano daw?
Again?
How was your quarantine like and what is it that you learned about the entire duration of the quarantine?
Miss Universe, man.
Oh, ang question, how is your quarantine life?
Yes.
Life and what have you learned about it?
Yes.
What did you learn? Oy, I like in my quarantine life kay nibuutan akong husband, helpful na kaayo.
Sana
Unya,
all.
imagine ka ng ang hygiene to the highest level na kapila maligo. Kay sa una kay inig abot din mo. Muyaka lang diretso sa sofa, di na way ko anay, way ligo ay. Karon kay automatic CR.
Ang bango
Ay,
ni
kana
baby
ang
na daw
hygiene
yun.
sa pati to the highest level.
Ilang beses po sa isang araw kayo naligo ngayon?
Ngayon, kung how often you go out, that's how often you also shower.
Ako'y suportaan ka
Oo,
yun lang ha.
sabagay.
May suportaan,
Dapat.
balik ako. Ako'y suportaan. Sige.
Okay, balik.
Yes. Tapos,
Bye-bye.
yung ano din, marunong na ako mag-gardening ngayon. I already give some time for to plant kay para sustainable life kunuhay.
I think these are the things that we learn during the quarantine. No? Most of us, we get to cook more.
Oh,
Learn
mo chef
to
lang
rest
mi ani.
More.
Ano po? Ano yung
Plant more.
plant more? Yung iba, may iba sigurong ginagawa. Probably, they have more time to read books, di ba? How about you,
More
Jen?
time to vlog.
More time to vlog. How was the struggle na nag-vlog ka inside your house? Hindi ka nakakalabas kasi bawal kang
Hello. Can you hear
Okay
me?
lang.
You can
Pero
walk
pag
around your
nag-comply ka,
house na.
pwede ka nang lumabas.
Yan ako.
well,
Medyo boy, wala vid.
Margaret
Hindi
is
na ako
very
turn ako video.
sanay. She's very used with vlog at home, di ba? Parang work from home. So, ano yung changes na probably ginawa mo since most of your vlogs are at home this time? Walang outdoor.
Medyo wala kay ko maglisod kay akong previous vlogs kay review man. Reviews, beauty products, food, so wala kay ko maglisod. Kamo mga travel, kaya ako nakoy travel gamay ra. Kamo mga travel content.
Ako kasi, most of my vlogs medyo delay ang posting, diba? Like, mga 2 to 3 months delay ang posting nila. So, somehow, nakapag-hoard ako ng mga contents.
I'm back.
Hi, Rheyne. Welcome back. So,
James,
we were talking about...
Hi, I'm back.
the
Another
things-
internet issue. Just have to fix it.
can you restate your question? I'd like to answer that question.
Oh, hi, Medyo.
Maikog ko sa Miss Universe. Oy.
Okay.
Miss
Mula,
Universe
sige.
2021.
The question, Medyo Boy, was how was your quarantine life like? And what is it that you learned about the entire duration of the quarantine? And, ano ba? Yun lang muna.
What I've learned with regard to what we've been experiencing is that life is very short and very important. I came to realize that we need to have self-worthiness, pagpapahalaga sa sarili.
Sarili.
Um,
Good.
aside from that, I came to realize that dapat talaga may ipon ka.
Um, Medyo boy, hindi mo ba natutunang magpakita sa amin?
Naka-turn off lights dito kasi tulog yung isa.
Patulog ka na ba?
Oh.
Yung isa, patutulog. So,
Nice. Nga pala,
Dapat
going back to
show
your
it na
question,
yung- Oh, okay.
yeah, it's really very important that you have savings because imagine for almost 2 months wala akong work.
True.
I did not expect na that the extent of the pandemic would last that longer because I was supposed to. My previous company ended my job like middle of February, first week of March. So I didn't have any job up until April. So 1 month ako walang trabaho talaga. And good
So,
thing,
how was the adjustment like vlogging inside your house knowing na hindi makalabas?
that's a good thing because I was able to, what do you call this, to look for another avenue. Avenue on what type of content na gagamitin ko. And that's a good thing
Yes, kasi
kasi,
ngayon you're doing reviews, di ba?
yeah, exactly. We're doing a reaction video. And I guess in some way, yung pandemic helped me as well and, to venture to other things like yung reaction video.
True. Nga pala kasama natin si Omden. Hi, Omden.
Wala na bang follow-up question?
Ha?
Wala nang follow-up question?
Why?
Naroon ya, Joe. Ikaw, Joe.
Uy, Nampa, how do you apply it as
Pang
Miss Universe?
ba na? Ala,
I would
Iti,
apply
mo.
it in my Miss Universe. I would apply it as a person that was able to stand despite the difficulties. Because I was really struggling looking for a job. Not just looking for a job, it's like, imagine yung savings ko paubos na. And
What did you mean looking for a job? Nawalan ka ba ng trabaho or
so nag-end ako ng job ko with,
did you resign?
yes, nag-resign ako first week of March, not knowing na mag-extend yung effect ng pandemic. But I was
So, how was
supposed
the
to,
application like na maka-quarantine tayo?
ganito yun, I was supposed to have a new job March 27th. And then, nag-start tayo ng lockdown, mga May 30 ata yung lockdown natin. So, hindi natuloy yung job ko March 27. So, from March 27 up until middle of April, wala akong job. As in, jobless. The good thing is my nag-offer ng new job, and then eventually pinapunta ako sa near IT Park. So doon ako nagstay kasi close yung borders. I guess April 15 yung nag-close yung borders. Oo. So pinapunta ako ng IT Park. They rented a space for me, like an apartment for me, para mas malapit lang sa workplace. Yeah,
So,
very
I think it only goes to show na every time there's something that leads or every time a door closes, another opens.
Exactly.
Meron ka ng bagong work at the same time, monetize na ang channel mo. Nangyari yun during the quarantine, tama?
That's right.
Yeah.
So like, I was so sad because
Sana all.
I was so sad kasi yung inabandon ako ng job ko. I mean, inabandon ako ng company na dapat mag-hire sa akin. So hindi ako, like, walang communication. They didn't even say na, I'm gonna help you towards this particular time. Wala, like, on last communication na sabi na i-postpone daw natin yung start date nyo. And then nag-text ako sa akin na, do you have any assistance from us? Kasi wala kaming job. Like, nag-end ako ng job ko sa previous company kasi in-offeran ako ng job nila. And then wala. And then, okay, so that's it. Kaya nga nag-send sila ng message na, are you still willing to be part of the company? Yung pinost ko na, I'm so sorry because you were not there when I need you most. Kaya yun.
Yun pala yun.
Kaya yun yung piniply ko sa kanila.
Anong reply? Anong response nila?
Sa I understand your sentiment. Yun lang. Oh.
Nay nanawag, oy. Nay nanawag ba?
Discord, Miss Harley.
Pero at least, it's really like the entire journey of pandemic. For me, very nice. Grabe ang struggle, pero on the brighter side, nagsan ko na
True.
Like, na-realize and then nagsan ko achievement actually. Not to monetize sa channel. And then my company now did provide me a PC which I can work at home. And then, nice kayo. Sila po yung nag-provide sa akong internet, like monthly subscription sa akong internet.
Wow.
We're happy for you.
Di ko pa pala
Finally,
tama.
got a job at the same time. Monetize na yung channel mo. So, blessings are just overflowing for sure. And this time, we also have Omden. Hi, Omden. Tell us more about your channel as well and about yourself.
Hala.
Ay, dili ko mag-English kay yabag ko mag-English.
It's okay.
Di, ako dahil si Omden, ang kuan is, ang tawag na ko sa akong mga subscriber kay what's up mga kalagom. Kalagom akong tawag.
Maninood.
Dili. Dati.
Sige lang, go.
Seryoso na, wala.
Unsa wala mo?
Madungog dili.
Madungog ko nimo.
Madungog ra.
Ako dili.
Madungog man mo.
I mean,
ako madungog ko.
Si Omden?
Oh. Ako nag-usap.
Guys, marinig.
Tingala ko wala. Madungog ko sa tanan dili.
Madungog kamong tanan.
Yung curse ni Tataboy nalipat sa akin.
Madungog kamong tanan, oy.
Hindi ko marinig si
madungog.
Omden.
Siya na di ka dungog sa kuha.
Wala, sige. Sign language. Ganun. Hello, Pobring Sigoy. Yes,
What's up?
Hi, Pobring Sagoy. Mahangin ba sa labas?
Siya na lang unaha story. Siya may madungog.
Calagri.
Ano mo, yung phone mo. I-tilt mo, gagano ka.
Uy!
Wow!
Hindi ko alam sa ang...
I-off ang kuan. I-off. I-off ba na siya?
Ang rotate.
I-unlock. Isa na ang rotate ang bot.
I-on. I-unlock. I-unlock
Sabi term na
rotate.
I-enable.
Oh. Wow!
I feel you. Galing ako dyan.
Kapuya, mangitag term, oy. Sige na, padayo na, Omden. Continue.
Omden, kuasa na suod si Mobi.
Madungog ako, dili.
Madungog lagi.
Sige kog yaw-yaw dre ba? Dili ko madungog sa tanan day. Pangit pag kayo.
Madungog man.
Suod. Kuan mo sudo ay.
Kuan. Kita na lang istoryahan na iping na baboy. Ito
Oh,
na istorya.
maragana na lang jud ay exclusive.
ito, ito na may magkadong dere.
Mo na.
Tanaw si Chasing James oh.
Hindi ako
Tanaw
makarinig
magduduha pa mong isi o dili.
Mo lagi maginay-ginay. Mo giingon nga kita gi pinagtadhanaan eh.
Uy.
Manghawa na lang,
Wala.
eh.
Oh, ana jud.
Ayo. Ay.
Bye-bye!
Oh, kadungog man di ay.
Yun lang, si
badung.
Margrette lang narinig ko.
Ganon.
Sa sign language na lang yun.
Narinig ko. At saka si si Miss Nian.
Oh, that's so sad.
Sige, ako na lang muhawa. Balik lang ko. Balik lang ko.
Sana all balikan.
Balik lang ko maha.
Yuan.
Siyempre, balik ko eh.
Kuya mo? Tanaw mga comments, wow! Ay!
Daghang support.
So guys, naabot na alas 8 pero wag po nang usa ka buok na host unta. Wata ni Geneva.
Sino yun?
Geneva sa Misal. Siya man tayo co-host ro ni Gel.
Wabyak ko kanda mo sa kong buhaton.
Di ba niingon ko na mag-andam ta mo ka ng aligri-aligri, mayana. Man man kayo andam. Pero okay lang, at least nalingaw ang mga tao sa topic.
Murag naong ragid akong panglaban, ani ba?
So, imbis mag-promote ang mga channel rin ba? Nauwa na sila og chat, nauwa na sila comment. So guys, I would like to thank everyone for dropping by. It's already 8 o'clock. So once again, I would like to promote Bisaya YouTubers Club. We have so we have Monistrat if you wish to help if ganahan mo help sa lain tao na maka-monetize yung channel, you can join that. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to Chasing James, Pink the Baboy Diary, then Nian Zafra, Tataboy, Medyo Boy, and Rheyne Valentine. So guys, if you wish to join us next week, don't forget 7 o'clock every Sunday stream ang Bisaya because on the 30th of June is our anniversary.
Yay!
Guys, exit na ta kay 8:03 na.
Bye!
Bye-bye!
Love you, Amping!
Bye everyone. Thank you for your time.
Peace.